my name is Nelia, nice to see you on my channel, and today I want to show you colorful makeup. Also, I want to make an announcement. Halloween is coming, that's why I want to dedicate to this celebration to my next video in a row. I want to make a cute and scary makeup for this time, but maybe later I'll change my mind. I don't know yet. Well, first color I think will be red. Red color. I want to use this palette. I want to take this red color. No. I want to put it here. Okay. Oh, it's kind of saturated. And we should shade it. So I put here this color and a bit about the crease. I hope you can see this. Maybe a bit up. And a little bit under the eye. You should put it here. Actually, you can take less color in this part of the eye. I mean moving eyelid. And shade it right here. Well, next color will goes on this palette. Yellow here. Maybe all colors will be without shimmer. And now I need to blend them. I hope I can do this. I think I need more color. I better try to look not dirty so much, and I should carefully blend them. Maybe we should put a bit yellow here. And next color I'm gonna use same palette. I should take purple. Actually, I could take another color, but I want more light color in this makeup. this. You can pull it a little bit more if you want, but I think it's enough for purple color. And you know what? I decided to put in the corner of the eye a little bit white color. This, I'll take this color and put it right here to make it look more fresh. Next, I wanna take my another brush, angle brush, and I take black color from this palette, this color, and I'll start to make arrow. Put it here. At first I'm gonna try to make with the brush. With the brush. I think I should take eyeliner to make it more brighter. Right here. Now we're gonna make eyelashes. Gonna make long eyelashes. Like this. It's look kinda natural. I don't want more. I feel it's enough. And in the bottom eyelashes. I just have done with another eye. And now I'm gonna put blush on my cheeks. I'm gonna make it high, like this, like under the eye, not too much. How you can see this on the camera. And now take lipstick to match with my blush. Just a little pink. and match the eyeshadow too. Oh gosh. Well, it was colorful makeup. I hope you like it. Like video, subscribe for more video like this. Thank you for watching.